Before you throw away another banana peel, try this first. Simply place a handful of cloves inside a banana peel, and you might discover a simple, homemade herbal drink that many people enjoy, making with everyday kitchen ingredients. Stay with me until the end because the final drink is incredibly easy to prepare, and I'll show you every step from start to finish. First, take 2 ripe bananas. Carefully peel them and set the fruit aside for another recipe or snack because today we're focusing on the peels. Banana peels are often overlooked, yet they naturally contain fiber and plant compounds that have attracted scientific interest for their antioxidant content. Now, using a sharp knife, cut both banana peels into small, even pieces. They don't need to be extremely tiny, just small enough so they release their natural compounds more easily while simmering. Once you're done, place all the chopped banana peels onto a clean plate. Next, place a frying pan or saucepan on the stove and transfer the chopped banana peels into it. Now it's time to add our aromatic ingredients. Start with 2 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon has been used in traditional cooking for centuries because of its warm flavor and natural antioxidant compounds. It gives this drink a rich aroma while blending beautifully with the banana peels. After that, add 4 bay leaves. Bay leaves release a pleasant herbal fragrance as they simmer and are commonly used in homemade herbal infusions around the world. Their earthy aroma helps create a balanced and comforting drink. Next comes one of the most important ingredients, AIE, generous handful of whole cloves. Cloves are well known for their strong, natural aroma and are rich in antioxidant compounds. They have been widely used in traditional remedies and cooking for generations, adding both flavor and a warming sensation to herbal drinks. Now pour 500 milliliters of clean water into the pan, making sure all the ingredients are completely covered. Turn the heat to medium and allow everything to come to a gentle boil. As the water heats up, you'll notice the kitchen filling with the comforting aroma of cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes, giving the ingredients enough time to infuse the water with their natural flavors and plant compounds. Once the simmering is complete, turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Now place a fine strainer over a clean glass jar and carefully pour the liquid through it. The strainer will separate the peels and spices, leaving you with a warm, golden herbal infusion. Pour a serving into your favorite glass, and it's ready to enjoy. This homemade drink is naturally caffeine-free, wonderfully aromatic, and can be a comforting addition to a balanced lifestyle, while ingredients like banana peels, cinnamon, bay leaves, and cloves contain beneficial plant compounds. They're not a substitute for medical treatment, and the effects can vary from person to person. If you have a medical condition or take medications, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare professional before regularly consuming herbal drinks. So, would you give this easy recipe a try? Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and tell me if you've ever used banana peels in a homemade recipe before. If you enjoyed today's idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple kitchen recipes and natural wellness tips.